Hey guys, it's Al with Tech Made Easy. This is it. This is the box I have been waiting for. I needed a large drawer that rolls, and this is it. This is the ToughBuilt StackTech rolling drawer box. And you know what? I stole it. I stole this thing and I ran. I ran so fast. Look, I sure hope it'll be available in the States soon. But let me tell you, you are going to want this box. There is no doubt. I spent time looking it over, and it's 100% a keeper. A huge, super strong rolling drawer box. And I love that it locks. And so far, I'm pretty impressed by the locking mechanism. So you know what? Let's go ahead and check this out. Real quick warning. Be careful if you're attempting to buy these boxes online in chat rooms or wherever you decide. Many of them are scams, and they take your money and they don't deliver on what they say. Again, this isn't available in the States yet. Hopefully it will be, but I just wanted to make you aware. Be very, very careful. Some of the deals are so enticing and the pricing is amazing, but most of the time, people don't get the merchandise, and then they're very disappointed. So please be careful. I'm now going to go over features and specs on the right side of the screen. And let me start off by telling you pricing isn't available because this is not in the States yet. But hopefully at some point it will be. Also, after the features and specs section, I'm going to be doing close-ups of everything. Under the box, the wheels, the handles, the drawer, the locking mechanism. So just be aware of that. So first of all, the box does come with 2 large dividers. So that's really good. And this is a high impact tested toolbox. This is a little bit heavier of a box. You've got steel corners, but there's a reason for it. And again, we're going to really take some good close looks. You get 9-inch all-terrain wheels. And the corners are armor steel corners that are powder coated. And they're strong and made for many accessories. Here is an image of the accessory video we did. I'll put a link in the video description as well. Let me tell you, we did a really good video, so I hope you check it out. And obviously, this toolbox has a new locking point on the right side. And we're going to check that out. We're going to put a lock in it, so don't worry. The handle is oversized and very sturdy. And the handle quickly releases to fit under your truck bed cover, which is nice. We'll include the measurements also. Now the weight, let's talk about the weight capacity. So the drawer can handle 100 pounds inside the drawer itself. And let me tell you, they did it right. And we're going to take a good close look at that so you could see that. Now the box capacity is 250 pounds. Now what does that mean? That means that basically the box itself and the wheels and everything can handle 250 pounds. That means that if I stack boxes on top and I put stuff in those drawers and I put stuff in the drawers on the bottom, that it can exceed 250. If it does, obviously you're not going to be covered by the warranty. Now measurements, I'm going to cover the outside and then I'll cover the inside of the actual drawer. So the outside, the width is 22.8 inches. The depth is 19.8 inches. And now the height with no handle is 18.8 inches. And that's really good if you want to throw this under your truck bed cover. Now with the handle down, we're looking at 26.1 inches. And with the handle all the way up, 44 inches in height. Now let's cover the inside of the drawer. So the width is 15.4 inches. The depth is 14.4 inches. And the height is 15.1 inches. Hey guys, real quick, I'm going to throw this in the middle of the video. Please don't forget, this video is not sponsored. We went out and paid an arm and a leg and stole this. We didn't steal it. We paid an arm and a leg to get this. So if you could give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that hype button. It really helps our video get out there. Share our video, and hopefully you'll subscribe. We're going to take a close look now at the drawer. We're going to focus on the drawer for now. So let me just tell you, if this lock is down, you're not getting this open. this does not want to budge at all. So I really like that so far. Pop that back up, and we'll spend some time on that too. But now you'll see that it does release, and there is a locking point. So when you close the drawer, it's not going to just fly open. This thing has some grabbers in there that are holding on to it. So I like that. I call them grabbers. But as you can see here, you've got two large dividers in here, and you can take them out, you know, so they just kind of slide right out, which is good. And then you've got some room here, you know, other than a little, you know, space here. You've really got some room here. Now I'm going to put some tools in here later, so just be aware. We're going to definitely put some tools in so you can see what it fits. I'll go ahead and throw measurements up on the screen real quick for the inside of the drawer. Now, this is the magic sauce, right? At the end of the day, what is the concern with this box is going to be, is this drawer going to really support 100 pounds? And let me tell you, you've got two steel slides on both sides. First of all, beefy rear slides work really nice. So that's first. But let me show you something else that might not be visible. Now, besides the slides on both sides of this drawer, you've got a wheel. You see that there? That is a pretty solid wheel, and we're going to take a close look at that. But you've got two slides on each side of the drawer, and you've got a nice beefy wheel. So that is really good. Let's take a look at the bottom of the box now and look at this wheel. Do you see how this box, this drawer, will actually roll with this wheel? Now you've got a solid wheel here, by the way. So this should last long. You know, you could see it can be replaced if it needs to be. You've got 4 screws on that thing. And again, the bottom of the box, the drawer, I should say, is reinforced with structure. So that's why they make it this way. They don't make it like a solid piece of plastic. So this is part of the structure. And look at this back here. All to be able to hold, right, the wheels, the axle they use, and this to be able to support 250 pounds total. Now the drawer, again, 100 pounds, don't forget. But the box itself, right, if I put another box on top, like a drawer, something like that, or an organizer, you know, this can handle that 250 pounds. This is beefy. This is definitely beefy, as you can see here. And this is it, huh? Everyone was like, I don't want to have a drawer if it doesn't have a lock. Well, now you actually have a large drawer and a lock. And such a simple design. Push that down, you are now locked. It opens up the slot, so you can take a lock, throw it right in there, lock it up. And I mean, this is a thick one, so that does a really nice job. Now, how does this mechanism work? Let's kind of take a peek at that. Let's go, I don't know, behind the scenes? Maybe not, but let's take a look at that. Let's take a close look here as much as we possibly can in these tight corners. But this locking mechanism actually hits 3 latches. 1, 2, and 3. And what they do when you push this down is all 3 of these go down. They go like this, down. This is obviously upside down, right? But this would be, you lock this, it goes down, and it actually goes in these grooves here. So you've got grooves along the side of the box. And so it's not one little place. It actually locks into 3 different places. So just a real quick demo, that's all. I'm going to put a couple tools in the box. I'm not going to go crazy, but I'm going to put in the 2nd gen rear handle. So let's start there, all right, and see how that fits. Not bad, no issues. All right. I'm going to go ahead and take this big boy, throw it in the corner here. All right, I got that in. And why not? Let's take the angle grinder. All right, so that's good. And I can probably put, easily, some additional batteries. Maybe bring a charger along, just in case. Let's see. And I'm ready to go. You know? I mean, that's not 100 pounds, of course, but, you know, it's just an example of what you can put in it. So, I like that. Now, real quick, I'm going to take this and throw it on a scale so you can see how much it weighs. All right, as you can see, you know, not bad. Now, one thing I don't want to discount at all is they've got these beefy handles, okay, that lock up into this position on both sides. Again, really helpful. Not all rolling toolboxes or rolling toolbox drawers have handles like this. This is really, really nice. And then they tuck in and they're out of the way. So, big fan of that. Now, a huge benefit to having StackTech is how simple it is to put boxes on top and take them off. Now, when you have drawers, you don't have to worry about that. But let me take this single drawer, right? Love this single drawer. Take this drawer, put it right on top. It's locked. I don't have to do anything. You see, the mechanism automatically tells me it's locked. And again, you've got these accessory rails. You've got handles, right? So even on the smaller boxes, but that's really how StackTech works. I mean, let's take this other one, right? Again, boom. And think about weight in these boxes and how much easier it is when you can just drop it on and it locks with no issue. Now, understanding the locking mechanism, I'm going to go ahead and open this up, take this off for a minute, tilt it to the side, right? And then I want to show you the bottom for a second. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 locking points. Now, the back of the box, the box you're putting on top, basically is going to grab in. These two are just going to grab in. But it's really what happens in the front that's very interesting. So let me show you the front. So the front, basically these two pieces here activate the lock. And these things come out. You see this? These grabbers come out. Obviously you could see right now that it actually shows that it's locked. And so these guys come out to lock it in place. All you do is unlock it. So, I mean, really nice mechanism. So taking a look at the 9-inch all-terrain wheels, again, you can see a lot of reinforcement here, you know, side grip. These are not rubber to my knowledge. I think they're just a solid plastic with some give, but a really good pattern, which is important, nice and big. And then you could see here they are reinforced, you know, at the wheel. So again, these wheels and this box work together to hold 250 pounds all in all. And again, don't forget the drawer is 100 pounds. Another feature and benefit to these boxes is they have these armor steel corners and they're powder coated, and you can put accessories on them, which is nice. As you can see, we've got our cup holder, our tumbler, we've got our long tool holder, which is really nice. And let me pull up an image real quick so you could see a couple more videos we did. One is on accessories. If you really want to see a lot of the accessories, that's a really good video to watch. We have organizers, and we also did the 2-in-1 convertible hand truck video. We'll put the links to these videos in the video description. We're going to take a close look at the handle, but just so you'll know, as is right now with the handle all the way up, it's 44 inches in height. Now, if we drop this down without removing it, it's 26.1 inches. So just drop this down, and now we're at 26.1 inches that way. And then when you remove the handle, let's take that off. So if you're wondering, does this fit under my truck bed cover? Well, let's take off the handle, and then we'll tell you what the measurements are again. So you just pull these levers out. Really nice, not too hard. They actually go in pretty deep. Pull this guy out like this. You're now at 18.8 inches That should be able to fit under your truck bed cover. That's pretty nice. Now, as far as the handle, I mean, this thing seems pretty beefy. Doesn't seem to be made cheap. Pretty thick in the areas that you need it to be in. Going back in, very simple. Take these two, slide them all the way down. These actually stop them from where they need to go. Push these in. You're ready to rock and roll. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching our video. I sure hope you found it helpful. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. I'm going to go ahead and put our social media up on top if you want to follow us. And you'll be able to subscribe to our channel by clicking this round Tech Made Easy logo. Guys, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.